silence and you are in a soundproof environment, you are able to do meditation. It's not like that. Meditation means an ability to go deep inside within you and you find a space where you feel calm, peaceful, centered, and nothing disturbs you. No matter how much noise is there in the outside world, that is one aspect. Second is, okay, maybe there is a lot of things happening in your life, relationship issues, financial issues, this, that. But when you close your eyes, you go into a deep state of mind and you are into a thoughtless state of mind, and there you find your inner strength. And then when you come out, you find solutions also. You deal with whatever challenges are there in life. You can face everything because you also go to a deep state where you access your power and you have the ability to be calm. And when that is there, no matter what is happening in your life, when you can be calm for half an hour in meditation, then in your during the day also you will be calm and peaceful. You will not react to everyone. You will be proactive. You will do things in a different way. And when you do things in a different way, you get a different result. It's the key to success. Meditation is the key to success in every aspect of life also. But that's not the purpose of meditation. Purpose of meditation is different, to realize your true self, like Mika Usui. So ultimately that is the thing. But there are many side benefits also.
So meditation can be done either like early in the morning or at night.
Anytime you can do.
Anytime.
Gradually what will happen is like normally starting mein you do in the morning,
Okay.
or if you don't get time in the morning, do at night. Whenever you get time you can do. And plus my meditations are guided meditations. You can do, you can put your earbuds and just listen to that whenever. Some people don't find time. There are students who say, oh my god, I don't have time, मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है, क्या करूँ. तो while traveling also there are people. एक मेरा स्टूडेंट है, वो आईटी कंपनी में है. 1.5 घंटा उनको लगता है, उनकी बस लेने आती है, and then they sit and then they go to that wherever the job is. 1.5 घंटा बस में जाता है, आता है. So during that time he is doing that.
But ऐसा होता है while doing meditations, you fall asleep, like नींद आ जाती है, तो वो चलता है या मतलब, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में चले जाता है अगर मेडिटेशन में, तो वो हैमर तो कर नहीं सकते कि जागना ही है, जागना ही है, जागना ही है. तो इज इट ओके, लाइक बिकॉज व्हाट आई फील इज जनरली स्टार्टिंग में ही हुआ है मेरे साथ, जहाँ पे व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू मेडिटेट अर्लियर, तो मैं सो जाती थी just because there were 100 of things going in my mind which used to get settled, जहाँ मुझे नींद नहीं आती थी. तो आफ्टर मेडिटेशन से ऐसा होता है. बट करंटली फिर से यही हो रहा है जहाँ पे आई फॉल asleep.
मेडिटेशन करते करते अगर आपको नींद आ जाती है तो अच्छा है. इट्स कॉल्ड योग निद्रा. सो उसमें कोई गलत नहीं है. इट्स अ गुड थिंग. आफ्टर सम टाइम यू मे नॉट हैव दैट, लाइक यू नो थिंग्स चेंज. हमेशा ऐसा नहीं रहेगा. आफ्टर सम टाइम that means that the body needs deep sleep also. Even it happened to me yesterday also. I did meditation at 6 o'clock and I in the morning, and then I was feeling sleepy and I fall asleep also. That's fine. उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अगर आपको कुछ काम है तो you can put an alarm and wake up and then do your work. But if you don't have work, let that body sleep. Let that body relax. Sleeping is a medicine. Sleeping, sometimes people think that अरे यार कितना टाइम स्लीप में चला जाता है, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Let us sleep less and live more. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Body needs that.
So ये जो आप मुझे बता रहे हो meditation, that can be like done for anyone, like जैसे भी मेरी मदर है for an example. Now ऑब्वियसली मेरा टेंशन, घर का टेंशन रहता ही है लोगों को, तो ये मेडिटेशन मैं उनको दे सकती हूँ.
Yes.
That you know she can also meditate
She can also
and then बिकॉज इवन शी इज टेकिंग स्लीपिंग पिल्स समवेयर,
हम्म।
अगर उसको नींद नहीं आती है तो हार्डली खानी ही पड़ती है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, बहुत सी चीज़ें चलती है तो वो रहता ही है उनको, तो वो उनको मैं दे सकती हूँ ये
Yes,
मेडिटेशन
yes.
के आप ये सुनो तो यू नो विल गेट रिलैक्स्ड, और द ब्लॉकेजेस यू हैव इन योर माइंड.
Yeah, definitely. So there are many YouTube tracks